Hello everyone, my name is Vanchita Gandhi. My roll number is 216 and I am from Division B. Is Eco and my topic is production function. Production function. Production function is the result of cooperation of four factors, that is production, land, labor, capital and organization. This is evident from the very fact that no single artifice is created while not the existence of anybody of those four factors of production. Therefore, the producer combines all the four factors of production during a technical proportion. The aim of producer is to maximize his profit. For this sake, he decides to maximize the assembly at minimum price by suggest that of simplest combination of things of product. The producer secures the simplest combination by applying the principles of equal marginal returns and substitution. In keeping with the principle of equal, any producer will have most production only if the marginal returns of all factors of production square measure capable of each other. For the example, once the marginal product of the land is capable that of labor, capital and organization, the assembly becomes the most. Meaning of production function. In easy words, production performs refers to the practical relationship between the number of a decent made output and factors of production, that is input. The production performed is solely the technical relation that connects issue inputs and output. It is written by professional Kotzolins. Define: production operates as a relation between the firm physical production, that is output, and also the material factors of production, that is input. Professional Watson. In this method, the production operate reflects abundant what proportion, what quantity output we will expect if we have most of labor and then much of capital further as the labor. In alternative words, we will say that production operates in associate in nursing indicator of physical relationship between the inputs and outputs of the firm. The reasons behind the physical relationship is that cash costs don't seem in it. However, here one factor that becomes the most significant to quote is that like demand operate. The new production function brought about by developing technology displays same inputs and more output, or the same output with lesser inputs. Sometimes a new production function of firm may be adverse as it takes more inputs to produce the same output. Mathematically, such basic relationship between input and output may be expressed as Q is equal to F L C and N, where Q is the quantity of output, L labor, C capital and N land. Hence, the level of output depends on the quantities of different inputs L, C, N available to the firm. In the simplest case, where there are only two inputs, labor and capital, and one output, the production Q is equal to F L into C. Definition: the production function as a technical relation between the input and output. If the natural law of technology remains unchanged, the production function remains unchanged. This is written by professional L.R. Klein. Production function is a relation between inputs and productive services per unit of time, output of product per unit of time. This is written by professional George Stigler. The relationship between input and output is summarized in what is called the production function. This is technological relationship showing for the given state of technology knowledge how can be produced with given amount of input. This is written by Professor Richard J. Lipsey. Following are the main features of production function. Substantiability. The factors of production or inputs are substitute of one another, which make it possible to vary the total output by changing the quantity of one or few inputs, while the quantities of all other inputs are held constant. It is the substantiability of the factors of production that give rise to the law of variable proportion. Complementarity. Factors of production are also complementary to one another, that is, the two or more inputs are to be used together as nothing will be produced in the quantity other two inputs used in a production process. The third is specificity. It relieves that the inputs are specific to the production of particular product, machines and equipments, specialized workers and raw materials are few examples of specificity of factors of production. The specificity may not be complete as factors may be used for production of other commodities. So this reveals that in the production process none of the factors can be ignored and in some cases ignorance to even slightest extent is not possible if the factors are perfectly specific. Production involves time, hence the way the inputs are combined is determined to the large extent by the time period under consideration. The greater the time period, greater the freedom the producer must vary the quantities of various inputs used in production process. In the production function, variation in total output by varying the quantities of all input is possible only in long run, whereas the variation in total output by varying the quantity of single input may be possible even in short term. Thank you.